The clock is ticking and it'll be less than 2 weeks before SoFi CEO Anthony Noto and CFO Chris Lapointe unveil SoFi's Q4 earnings. We're pretty sure most of you SoFian soldiers are excited how SoFi has grown over the last 3 months of 2021. In today's video, we'll take a trip down memory lane to the Q4 guidance that Commander Noto had given us during their Q3 earnings call. We'll also discuss a new partnership that Galileo had recently made and some interesting rumors about SoFi. So stay tuned until the end of this video as you don't want to miss any of this. If you're new to our channel, hello and welcome to Wealth Gambit. On this channel, we cover all things SoFi, whether it's fundamental analysis or politicians throwing rocks at SoFi. We cover it all here. If you happen to like SoFi, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as it helps a lot with the algorithm. Also, don't forget to turn that notification bell so you'll be updated as soon as we drop a new video. We recently made a SoFi investor group on Facebook, so if you want to know the latest buzz on SoFi, feel free to join the group and have some discussion with other SoFi investors. Shout out to these awesome subscribers who've commented on our last few videos. You guys are real ones and we really appreciate you guys commenting. We're not financial advisors and none of this is financial advice, so please always do your own research. SoFi retail investors aren't the only ones who are looking forward to SoFi's Q4 earnings, as huge legacy banks took advantage of its stock dip at the end of 2021 and increased their SoFi positions by a few 100%. If you want to know more details about these legacy banks buying SoFi, then watch our video, SoFi Stock Big Banks Buy In. Now, before we get too excited about SoFi's Q4 earnings coming this March 1st, let's go back and have a review of SoFi's Q4 guidance given during their Q3 earnings call last November 11, 2021. For Q4 earnings, SoFi gave an adjusted net revenue guidance of $272 million to $282 million and an adjusted EBITDA of $2 million to $5 million. On top of that, SoFi raised its full year guidance for 2021 from $980 million adjusted net revenue guidance and adjusted EBITDA of $27 million to a 2021 full year adjusted net revenue of $1.002 billion to $1.012 billion and an adjusted EBITDA of $28 million to $31 million. Comment down below $1 billion revenue if you're excited to see SoFi making $1 billion revenues for the full year of 2021. Analysts are also expecting an estimated earnings per share of negative 0.16 in SoFi's Q4 earnings. SoFi's secret weapon, Galileo Financial Technologies, the technology platform of SoFi, recently partnered with Spruce, a mobile banking platform built by H&R Block that was launched on January 20, 2022. Galileo, through its API-enabled financial technology, will empower Spruce mobile banking operations, which includes a spending account with a debit card, a connected savings account that allows for specific budgeting goals, early paycheck availability, and overdraft protection. According to Galileo's research, 44% of US consumers use digital-only banks as a primary or secondary account, and 61% of consumers say they are somewhat or highly likely to switch to a digital-only bank as their primary provider. This research shows that more and more people are willing to adapt to mobile banking, which has been proving its benefits for a couple of years now. Also, to spice things up a bit, comment down below how many times we mentioned SoFi, and the first person to get it right and comment down below, we'll make a video on any business you choose. As we were scrolling through SoFi stock subreddit, we came across this Reddit user that had a very interesting post regarding SoFi. Reddit user Something Ventured One stated that SoFi will be Apple. And according to him, Apple is a business that is built on interconnectedness. He argued that Apple users are using Apple products because it's easier for them to have all of their technology talking to one another and in one ecosystem, and SoFi has the same vision in the finance arena. Considering SoFi's ambition to be a one-stop shop, this does make sense. Comment down below what you guys think. Is this possible? Or is Apple too big of a company for SoFi to catch up? Let us know if you want us to take a deep dive into this theory. Whether you're a SoFi investor counting down until March 1st, or you're a SoFi investor who had already set an alarm on their Q4 earnings, it sure does represent one of the very important days to us SoFian soldiers. We're also looking forward to how SoFi's technology has grown considering its unstoppable partnership every now and then. And if SoFi is the next Apple, then we SoFi investors are set to go to the moon in a few years' time. That wraps up today's video, guys. As always, if you find any value in this video, share this with someone you know who likes this type of content, and don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And until next time, peace.